Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our sixth session for trigonometry. In the previous session, we discussed identities based on trigonometry. We proved good number of identities so far. Now, in this session, we'll be taking some problems based on basic properties of or relationship of all the six trigonometric functions. Right? So let's begin the session. Now friends, so far we have discussed the three identities, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now we just try to derive some more relationship among the functions, right? Now I have this triangle A, B, C. Here this angle is 90 degree. This is theta and this is obviously 90 minus theta to make the sum 180 degree. Right? Now this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Right? So now friends, if we consider this angle to calculate the six trigonometric functions, so the angle, the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular. That you have to be careful about it, right? So if we calculate sine theta, this is perpendicular, so this is P by H, right? Now if we calculate, if we have to take this angle, right, this is 90 minus theta, so if I consider sine 90 minus theta, in that case this will be perpendicular, right? So that's BC by hypotenuse will be AC, right? So this is what B by, or I just, if I name them as BC, AB and AC, just write it over here. It's AB by AC. Okay, so you do not get confused. I just eliminate this P, H and B. Okay, so sine 90 minus theta, if I have to consider this angle, so this will be perpendicular. So this is BC by AC, right? Similarly, if I have to calculate cos theta, what that will be? Cos theta is what? If this angle is to be considered, this will be BC by AC, right? And if we consider this angle, that's cos 90 minus theta, so in that case it will be AB by AC. Now you just look at all these four identities. Sin theta is AB by AC and cos 90 minus theta is also AB by AC. That means what? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, right? If we consider both of them. Similarly, sin 90 minus theta is BC by AC and cos theta is BC by AC. That means sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So these are the important relationships among sin theta and cos theta, right? So it depends which angle you are considering. According to that only you have to assume base and perpendicular, right? If you consider this angle, this will be your perpendicular. If you consider this angle, this will be your perpendicular, right? Which angle we consider? The angle opposite to theta, or the side opposite to theta, right? Opposite to this angle is considered as perpendicular, right? So opposite to this angle will be considered as perpendicular. Okay, getting me? Similarly, we can calculate tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. I just calculate it for you. Wait a moment. Now we calculate tan theta. When we consider this angle, tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. So that's AB by BC. When we consider this angle, that's tan 90 minus theta. In that case, it's BC by AB. Right? Similarly, if we calculate cot theta, if we consider this theta is this angle, so in that case it is BC by AB. cot 90 minus theta. If we consider this angle, so it will be AB by BC. Now just see this too. So tan theta and cot 90 minus theta is same, and similarly cot theta and tan 90 minus theta is same, right? So what we can say, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, right? And we derived sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, you can derive sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, right? So all these 6 relationships are important, right? Now where they are used, how they are used, will be taking some examples, some questions based on these properties. So first of all, you should be clear which angle you are considering, right? According to that, you have to choose perpendicular and base, right? Be very careful. If you consider this angle, this side will be perpendicular. If you consider this angle, this side will be perpendicular, right? I hope you are clear. Now friends, apart from this 6 relationship, you are asked about the basic trigonometric values also, right? So I just make a chart over here for basic trigonometric values that you have to memorize, and I will just let you know also that how to construct this chart, right? So now we have 6 trigonometric functions, and we have to calculate. The function is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta, right? And we have to calculate the values of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, right? That means precisely if theta is 0 degree, theta is 30 degree, theta is 45 degree, 60 degree, or 90 degree, right? So what will be the values of corresponding functions? Okay, so when theta is 0 degree, sin 0 will be 0. When theta is 30 degree, sin theta will be half. This is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2, and this is 1. Don't worry, I will just let you know how to calculate all these values. First of all, let's fill up the chart. Now since sin theta, we have written these value, and we have seen that sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, right? So to make the chart of, or the series of cos theta, just reverse the values, right? So it's 1, then this is root 3 by 2, then this is 1 by root 2, then this is half, this will come over here, and then this is 0, right? Now sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. That means this divided by this will give you the value of tan 0. So 0 by 1 is 0, right? Similarly, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will be tan 30 degree. So it's 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Then tan 60 degrees will be what? Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So that's root 3. And 1 by 0 is not defined. So we'll write that as infinity. Okay. Now cosec theta is what? It's 1 upon sin theta. So we have to write all the reciprocal of all these 5 values. So cosec 0 will be what? 1 by 0, right? And 1 by 0 is what? Not defined, right? Reciprocal of half is 2. It's 1 by root 2, so it will be root 2. It's 2 by root 3, and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Similarly, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So if it is 1, it will be 1. It's 2 by root 3. It's root 2. That's 2, and that's 1 by 0. So that further not defined. Now cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So if it is 0, it will be 1 by 0. So it's not defined. It is root 3. It is 1. Then 1 by root 3, and 1 by not defined will be 0. Right? So we got the values of all the 6 trigonometric functions when theta is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Right? And now friends, I just share a trick with you how to memorize this table, right? You just learn to make the series for sine theta, remaining will automatically be done, right? So what you do is you start writing from 0 to 1, making difference of 1 by 4, 1 by 4, right? So it's 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now the next step, take square root. So it's 0, it's 1 by 2, it's 1 by root 2, it's root 3 by 2 and this is 1. Now you get the sequence of sine theta, that is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90, right? So that's very easy to remember. Right? After that you can make the entire table. So when you proceed for your exam, like when you get your like copies, what you do is you just make this table, right? So when attempting the questions you don't have to recall the values, right? So it's 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now cos theta, just reverse the series, tan theta divide sin theta by cos theta. Cosec theta, just write reciprocal of the entire series. Sec theta, write reciprocal of entire series of cos theta, and similarly for cot theta, right? So the problem becomes, or this table becomes very easy to learn and very easy to memorize, right? Now we'll be doing some questions based on them. Now suppose we have this question, without using trigonometric tables evaluate cos 90. Now what is cos 90? That we can see over here, that's 0. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is half and tan 45 is 1. So just put the values over here and you'll be getting the answer. So it's 0 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin 30 degree is half and tan 45 degree is 1, right? So it's what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, that's 1 by 4, right? Very simple. Similarly here, 4 by 3, tan 30 degree is what? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So I just write it over here, 1 by root 3 whole square plus sin square 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So square will be 3 by 4 minus 3 cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So cos square 60 degree will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Tan 60 degree is what? It's root 3. So its square will be 3 minus 2. Tan square 45 degree is 1. So I just write 1 over here. Right? So it's 4 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 2, right? So this is cancelled. This is 4 by 9 plus 9 by 4 minus 2. Just solve it and you'll be getting the value, right? So it's 36. 9 fours are 16, this, and 81 minus 72, right? So that's 25 by 36, right? You just have to put up the value of all these trigonometric functions, okay? And you can very well make this table in your exams, so no need to memorize all the values, okay? Now friends, we have to calculate the value of this, right? And we have discussed that sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, right? All the 6 relationship we have already discussed. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, right? So here we have the terms sec theta and cosec theta. So what you do is you just convert one into other, right? Do not convert both of them, otherwise you will reach the point where you have started, right? So either you can convert sec to cosec or cosec to sec, right? Now what is the first step? 38 can be written as 90 minus 52, right? So what I do, instead of 38 over here, I will write 90 minus 52. So the sum converts into sec 90 minus 52 upon cosec 52. Right? Now this is what sec 90 minus 52 or sec 90 minus theta. Now what is sec 90 minus theta? That is cosec theta. Here theta is 52 degree. Right? So sec 90 minus 52 will be what? Cosec 52. So this is cosec 52 by cosec 52 and that's 1. Right? I hope you are clear. Let's take one more question. In this question, tan and cot. Now further, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So what I do is, I write 19 as 90 minus 17, right? 19 will be what? 90 minus 17, right? So it's 10. Instead of 19, I can write 90 minus 17. 71. Right? So it's 90 minus 71, right? Now tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Here theta is 71. So tan 90 minus 71 will be cot 71. Now this is cot 71 by cot 71, that's 1. Right? So the problem becomes very simple if you change theta to 90 minus theta, right? Or convert, right? Now similarly, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. So it's sine 90 minus 18 upon cos 18. Similarly, sec this 32 degree can be written as 90 minus 58. So it's sec 90 minus 58 upon cosec 58. Now sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Here theta is 18. Here it is also 18. So sine 90 minus 18 will be cos 18. Cos 18 by cos 18 will be 1. Minus sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Here theta is 58. So sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So it's cosec 58 by cosec 58 further 1. So it's 0. Right? Now in this question, tan 53 degree. So it can be written as 2 tan 90 minus 37 by cot 37 minus this is cot 80 and it can be written as tan 90 minus 80, right? 10 can be written as 90 minus 80. Now tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Here theta is 37. So it's 2 tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Here theta is 37. So it will be 2 cot 37 by cot 37 minus this is cot 80. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Here theta is 80. So it's further cot 80. Right? So it's 2 minus 1. That's 1. Okay. The problem is this sort of problems are really very easy. You just have to put up the value like this. Similarly, you can do this also. Cos 70 can be written as cos 90 minus 20 by sin 20 plus cos 59 can be written as cos 90 minus 31 by sin 31 minus 8 sin 30 degree is what? It's half. So sin square 30 degree will be 1 by 2. 1 by 4. Okay. Now sin 90 minus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it is sin 20 by sin 20. That's 1 plus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it's sin 31 by sin 31 is 1 minus this is 2. So it's 0. Right? Similarly, friends, let's solve this problem. Sin 39. 39 can be written as 90 minus 51. I'm just writing 39 as 90 minus 51 by cos 51 square plus this is cos 51 by sin 90 minus 51, right? Now this is sin 90 minus theta cos theta, that means it is cos 51. Cos 51 by cos 51 is 1, so it's 1 square, that's 1 Similarly, sine 90 minus 51 is cos 51. Cos 51 by cos 51, 1 and 1 square. That's 1. So final answer is 2, right? Very simple. Now here, this cos square 34. Cos square 34 can be written as (90 minus 56) plus cos square 56. Similarly, 59 can be written as 90 minus 31 plus sine square 31, right? Now this is cos 90 minus theta, that will be sine theta. So it's cos square 90 minus 56 can be written as sine square 56 plus cos square 56 upon, similarly sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it's cos square 31 plus sine square 31. Now sine square a plus cos square a, this both of the angles are same. So sine square a plus cos square a is 1 and cos square a plus sine square a is 1. So it's 1, right? So these sort of sums are really very easy, and on an average the weightage to these sort of questions is at least 2 marks, right? And these 2 marks are like just free if you just know these relationships. Okay. Now the same concept or question can be asked in this manner also. Prove that this is equal to 2. So we know that sine 90 minus a is what? Cos a. So it's cos a by cos a plus sine a. Cos 90 minus a is sine a. So it's 1 plus 1, 2, right? As simple as that. Similarly, over here, it's sine a. Sine 90 minus a is cos a plus this is cos a. Cos 90 minus a is sine a. Just take LCM. So it will be sine square a plus cos square a by sine a cos a. That's 1 upon sine a cos a. 1 upon sine a is 1 upon cos a is sec a, and 1 upon sine a is cosec a. That's right hand side that we had to prove, right? Now let's take these problems. Here we know that for any triangle a plus b plus c is 180 degree, right? So if I divide both the sides by 2, so a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 will be 90 degree, or I can say a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2, right? Now that means what? Sine of a plus b by 2 will be equal to sine of 90 minus c by 2, right? Now sine 90 minus theta will be what? Cos theta. Here theta is c by 2, so it will be cos c by 2. That means sine a plus b by 2 is cos c by 2. That we had to prove, right? As simple as that. Now similarly, if we take this second identity, here it's b by 2 plus c by 2 will be 90 minus a by 2. So if 10 b plus c by 2 is equal to 10 of 90 minus a by 2, right? Now 10 b plus c by 2 is 10 90 minus a by 2. Now 10 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Here theta is a by 2, so it's cot a by 2. That means 10 b plus c by 2 is equal to cot a by 2, this expression, right? So these problems are really very easy if you know just this relationship that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, and same as for sec and cosec, right? So the problem becomes very easy. So friends, we have done good number of problems on trigonometry. Almost all the identities I have covered up, all the various patterns of problems I have covered up. So do revise all the sessions of trigonometry. Just print the worksheets from the website and try the problems on your own, right? Bye-bye.